So he's a
Maricom, just stay with me. I'm also joined by Deepa Malik, who's of course double medalist in Paralympics. Deepa, your first thoughts on how well the shooters are doing?
Extremely happy, proud whenever the tricolor is going up and we get a medal for the country. It is a joyous moment, moment of celebration, especially when we are back with a third in shooting. Shooting took a lot of time for us to start winning medals again, and after the disappointment of Manu Bhaker in Tokyo, problems with her equipment and the gun, and now almost giving up, because I know her personally and we are from the same state of Haryana, and I've seen the turmoil that she has gone through. But for her to emotionally come back, Sarabjot, excellent. But these are the people who have been competing for a long time. I'm very happy for Swapnil, from an agricultural background, humble background, joins a junior program in government of Maharashtra, and then chooses shooting as his sport. Slowly and steadily coming up, the first Olympics, keeping his calm, almost on the sixth position to a podium position. I think he's done a wonderful job there. And this speaks that how when you catch them young,
Yes.
and when you give them the right opportunity, facility to play, because under the program in Maharashtra, I'm forgetting the name of the program, but he has been a junior champion. So he's somebody who's been identified young and then nurtured into a sport, and slowly and steadily through his Asian championships, he has in Korea then got the slot for the country, and here he is in his first very attempt with a big medal. And right from Abhinav Bindra's time, shooting had become so much of a favorite. And I'm very proud, because when shooting gets a medal, even our Paralympian shooters get very motivated, because last year 5 medals from Tokyo Paralympics were in shooting, with a girl winning a gold, Avani Lekra. So I think these medals are going to give a new adrenal rush to the Paralympic shooting team as well, and
Yes.
we hope to follow suit at 2024 soon.
You know, the important aspect, Maricom, also is that a lot of first-time Olympians are managing this for us. I mean, even Abhinav Bindra had to play, Olympics before he managed to clinch that gold. But now you look at Sarabjot, you look at Swapnil, even for Manu. I mean, she was 19 when she played her first Olympics. She's only 22 even now. So a lot of young talent and first-time Olympians are managing to convert their performances into medals. That just shows the confidence of Indian athletes overall, Maricom?
definitely overall. If I'm talking, after the winning this time in shooting, it's really that is from the grassroots, and what they have prepared, and of course at this time, this platform actually in Paris Olympics, Manu, if I'm talking about Manu, has done incredible performance. Yes, at the young age, even if we are talking of, about at the age of young age, that experience, and also now that experience definitely it works.
All right.
That's amazing performance, a wonderful performance. Now this time Paris Olympics, she already won 2 medals, bronze medals. But next Olympics, definitely we will wish, and she will definitely win a gold.
Gold
That
medals,
is
yeah.
my
Absolutely.
expectation.
All of this experience will really add,
we
and a
have
lot of
to
these
push
shooters
them,
are
we have
extremely
to-
young,
yeah.
so they can always participate in the next one and build on to the successes as well. Maricom and Deepa Malik, thanks a lot for joining us. We'll continue to get you more reactions from the contingent in Tokyo as in Paris as well. For the meantime, I'm tossing it back over to my colleague Akansha.